All right, I'm at the Beverly Flight Center, and I'm about to go in to take this Part 107 licensing test. Fingers crossed. All right, I finished. I passed. I got a 93, so I think that makes me super smart. Anyways, now I can start showing you guys some of the drone footage. Got to get back home.
Fading evening light, even the sun gives way tonight. Colors fill the sky, such grace and beauty as it dies, round and round it goes. It's just the way of things. If you let me down slow, I believe in time. We will see a new horizon, a glimmer of a light, a glimmer of a light. Weeping willow tree, swaying so gently with the breeze. Do you suffer with ease? Little do I know, little do I know. Round it goes. It's just the way of things. If you let me down slow, I believe in time. We will see a new horizon, a glimmer of a light, a glimmer of a light. Watch the colors fade. Day turns to night, night turns to day. Sunsets and suffering, it's all a part of the way of things.